A common mistake that beginning orchestral composers make is writing with a lack of instrumental motion. A good rule of thumb is to write every part with enough instrumental motion so that if it were played by itself it would still sound interesting. In other words, even the smallest insignificant part should be interesting. If you follow this guideline, then the orchestra as a whole should have a sufficient amount of instrumental motion. Here's an example of an insufficient amount of instrumental motion. The cello part is very boring since it is basically just marking each strong beat of the meter. If we add just a little more motion to the cello part, the passage becomes more interesting and a little less empty or hollow sounding. If we add even more instrumental motion to the cello part, it is now interesting enough that it could stand on its own. The hollow sound from lack of instrumental motion is now gone. We also want to be careful of having too much instrumental motion. Too much instrumental motion can be just as detrimental as having too little. Various musical elements can become blurred and unclear when there is too much going on. Don't have instruments doing busy work just for the sake of doing busy work. There should always be a reason or purpose for your choices.